Hey, this is Pierre from NotionForms. In this video, I will show you how you can connect NotionForms with another tool than just Notion. This might be useful, for example, if you want to collect data into another database, such as Airtable, into a custom CRM that you use. Uh, Notion Forms enables you to collect submissions information into these other tools using its Zapier integration. I won't go into too much detail about the Zapier part and Airtable, as if you want to use those tools, I recommend you directly start using them and use their documentation and onboarding to learn how to use them. So I will quickly show you, but if you want more information, go there. So first of all, I am going to use my bugs tracker form where I'm going to want to store that information in Airtable as well, because Airtable allows me to visualize the data in some more ways that I want to use. So in my Airtable account, I've created the replica of my database in Notion. So I have a title, a description of the bug, a priority, and a screenshot. This is the same architecture as my Notion database. And now I'm going back to my Notion Forms account where I already created the report a bug form, but now I want to connect it with Airtable. So here I'm going to go to my form and edit it. Here on the left side, I have the design and customization panel. I'm going to go all the way down and open up the tab integration, where here it says that the Zapier integration is available for beta testers, so we can all use it. I'm going to click on Zapier integration, and this is going to open the Zapier page where I'm going to accept the invite and start building a Zap. So I'm going to accept the invite. Here I'm taken to my Zapier account and I'm going to create a new Zap. So now I'm going to go look for my first application, which is the Notion there, and say there's a new database in my item. Because every time there's a new line in my Notion database, I want it to be sent to Airtable. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to select I'm going to connect a new account to make sure I have access to the right databases. Here, I'm going to select the Notion Forms personal plan, select the pages, select all, and allow access. So now I can continue. I can choose a value. Here, it's my bugs database. Continue. And this is going to allow me to test the trigger. So Zapier is going to go look for recent records that have been entered. So here I can see I have the user can sign up. I'm going to continue. And now I can say I want to connect it to my Airtable database. Here I want to say I want to create a record in my Airtable. I am going to click continue. I'm going to select my Airtable account. I'm going to continue. I'm going to choose the base. So here, this is where I'm going to go find my Notion Forms bug tracker base, in which table this is the table 1. And now I can dynamically insert information from what happened in Notion. So here, my title, I'm going to input user can sign up. Description of the bug, I'm going to go find it right here. The priority, if I can type as well the name. Unfortunately, here Notion doesn't support yet files, but here I can just click continue, test and continue. Zapier is working, and apparently a record was sent to Airtable. So if I go there, I can see that in my Airtable database, I have my new bug.